Hello everyone, Jordan here. Got little man Kason with me. Hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. We were going to try to do a live stream and I tried downloading an app called Streamlabs and just didn't work out too well. I started it off and tried finding it on YouTube and couldn't find it there. It may have been going too, I don't know. So being we had everything already out, we figured we'd just go ahead and upload a regular video. And what we got for you guys today, and for us to try, is a Menu 23 Chicken Pesto Pasta. Haven't tried this menu, and so we're going to get into it here. I'm going to go ahead and tear it open for Kason, and then he can hand me the items. This second package open. Alright, there you go, bud.
There's a lot of stuff in it.
I know, it's packed full. Alright. So as usual, we have the water going in the back. First off is the main chicken pesto pasta. Nice. That pack there is full too. We have a wheat snack bread, trans fat free. A cheese spread. There we go. Get that in camera. Of course, the FRH, also known as the flameless ration heater. Ooh, we have a oatmeal cookie, trans fat free.
Oh, I like that.
Do you like the oatmeal cookie?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We have your classic brown MRE spoon, which we will be using.
Hey, another one.
Oh yeah, another accessory pack. We got a hot beverage bag, which we won't need that today. Got a carbohydrated electrolyte beverage powdered fruit punch drink. That should be good. And then of course the chicken pesto pasta sleeve. Looks like it says chicken breasts with rib meat, strips, and pasta in a basil pesto sauce. Cool. And I'll keep this sleeve here for the... Oh! And we got an apple turnover. Awesome. I haven't tried that one either.
Me too.
Cool. Man, I really wish I could have done this on live stream. That would have been nice. So we'll get this cracked open here. And I'll try to get that live stream figured out here in the next few days. Inside the accessory pack, you got your teepee. You got some matches. I won't light one of those today. You guys all know how the matches go. And we got a sugar. Save that up on top. Looks like we do have a coffee in here. This is a Genial coffee. I haven't seen this one. Instant coffee.
I'll start a bubble gum.
Keep that bubble gum though.
Okay.
And then we have the creamer. Because I meant to eat that bubble gum yesterday, but I forgot. And a moist towelette. We'll keep that right there down the bottom.
What's this?
That's the salt. Good old salt. Alright guys, I'm going to pause you real quick and get this main heated. Alright guys, we're back. Got the main going. I went ahead and mixed up the coffee here. Let me see if I can get you a shot there. I have not put the creamer in yet. Let's get the creamer in.
Oh, you're putting it in. Oh, mix
Got
it.
the creamer and the sugar. I should have grabbed the condensed condensed milk.
What about me? I didn't want it. I wanted to mix it.
Oh, it's just hot. I don't want you to get hot or burn yourself. So I'm going to try to keep this down here so I don't forget it like last time. We'll go ahead and get this beverage drink opened. See how well I can do this here. Freaking Wandering Marine's a pro at this.
What's that? What's that?
12 ounces of water, so yeah, I'm guaranteed I'm going to spill it. So I'm going to do this over the trash can here, guys.
I don't see it. It's the same color, Dad. It's the same color. It's the same color, Daddy. It's the same color.
Oh, yeah.
It's the same color, Daddy.
Yeah, and then of course I did get it everywhere. All over the bottle. It's alright. Get that lid on there.
I would shake it.
Get this shook up real good. You want to give it a shake? Okay, you go ahead and give it a shake there. Oh, go ahead and start opening up this. We got the apple turnover here. It smells good too.
Now it's good.
Take out the oxygen absorber. Smells good. Got the white wheat snack bread.
That one's fun.
This is probably pretty similar to the multi-grain.
Now we're gonna try it.
I guess it's just wheat, maybe. I mean, I don't know really. Grains and wheat, it's all the same to me, really.
I want to try it.
Oh yeah, here. Get your cup there. Alright, you can go first. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Man, you're pretty thirsty, huh? Oh yeah, it's pretty good fruit punch taste. Not as strong as the raspberry one I had yesterday. Maybe I had less water in it too, or more water. This is the oatmeal one? Yeah, oatmeal cookie. This just looks a little different. Almost looks like a peanut butter, a peanut butter cookie. Nice and big cookie there, and I'm glad we got a cookie and we got some coffee. Dip that cookie in there. You can't let me forget about the coffee, okay? Okay. And of course we have the cheese spread. I'm going to wait on this just a second. And what I'm going to do is pause you guys and go grab the main here. Alright everyone, we're back. And we have the chicken pesto pasta piping hot as usual. See if we can get this ripped open. Oh man.
What's that?
It's the chicken pesto pasta. Ooh, actually looks pretty good too.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna see if I can do this here.
Yummy.
Oh, but it does look pretty good. It smells good. I think it was basil or something. Pesto, yeah, pesto. It does have a good smell.
Hey, there's stuff in it. There's stuff in it.
Like I said, I think cooked chicken breast with rib meat, spices, garlic, basil, pesto with pine nuts, Romano cheese. Sounds awesome. Sun-dried tomatoes. So that's great. We'll go ahead and get into her here. First off,
I want to try the cookie.
Alright, well, we'll do the cookies for dessert. So first off, we'll go ahead and let's get a good bite of this chicken pesto pasta. I have a nice strip of chicken there. I can never get a good shot of that. And then some noodles on there. You gonna want to try this stuff?
Now I want to try it.
That's pretty good. It's not bad.
I like to try the noodles.
Yeah, alright, let me get you a couple noodles. You want some chicken?
No?
No chicken, just noodles?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think it's already hot.
Huh?
It's already hot.
You think it's already hot?
Yeah.
I'm spilling everywhere. I'll try it, you'll be good. Is it too hot?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Oh gosh. So the noodles are a little soft. I mean, they're supposed to be soft, but some of them have a little bit more texture to them. It's not too bad though. I wish that, like I said, my palate's not the greatest. I can't describe so many of the flavors. That's why I use that
I don't like it.
little pamphlet thing they have there. You don't like the flavor though? It's not bad. I mean, it's kind of just like a Italian dish, I imagine.
I like to try a cookie.
That's kind of what I get from that. We have the multi-grain, wheat snack bread, white wheat snack bread. You want to try it? Here, let's try. We'll try a small piece of this, just straight plain. That's it, just white bread. That's all it is. Let's give this cheese spread a need. Before I forget, we got the Take Me to the Trail, established 1987. Got this mug sent in from Dennis. Yeah, I think I meant, oh wow. I don't know what that taste is. That's weird.
I like the curd.
Because it's not the cup, because I had hot cocoa in here yesterday after I did that video, and it tasted fine. So it may be something, the sugar, I don't know, or gosh, it almost tastes salty.
What?
I don't know.
I don't want to try it.
That's weird. It's got a really weird taste.
I don't want to try it.
I really highly doubt it was moldy. There's no way that
I want to try the cookie.
MRE is that old. So
I want to try the cookie.
I think it just may be a little off, or possibly could be.
Hey, it's not real.
We got this cheese spread, or it could just be that style of coffee as well. Man, that cheese spread is pretty good. This would be awesome with like one of Aunt Annie's if you ever go to the mall.
Some cheese in
Cheese. Oh yeah. Here, I'm sorry, bub. Jeez. Look at Dad. Always messing up here. So if you ever been in the mall, they have the Aunt Annie's pretzel shops. I mean, that cheese spread would go awesome with that. The cheese, I don't know what that part. It's not too bad. I think maybe it's the basil in there that I'm getting. Oh yeah, well I was gonna dip this in the coffee. I'll go ahead and take one dip. I can still even slightly taste it through the cookie.
Yeah.
Cookies are always good. They're a little better when you do dip them. I mean, I think they are. It just helps with the dryness. They are a little dry, obviously. But they do have great flavor, good oatmeal flavor. Here's the middle of this turnover here. Looks like it has a little bit of apple jam there, or some form of apple filling. Mm-hmm. That's good. That's really good. The bread isn't soggy or anything. Nice and soft. I imagine if I would have threw it in with the boiling water, it would have gotten soggy. So I'm glad I didn't do that. I learned my lesson on one of the last videos. They had mentioned on some of these items, you just don't want to put them in the water, boiling water. It just kind of ruins them. So this is definitely a good item. The chicken pesto, I'm not so sure I'll order it again.
I don't like this.
But
There's shit on it.
you didn't like that one? Well, it's just apples and bread.
I can't.
Not so sure I'm going to order it again, but you know, if I was out in the field, I'd eat it if I was definitely hungry. So we will finish up the this main here. I'm going to finish up as much as I can. And these drinks, this fruit punch drink was good. Like I said, it could have been stronger. I could have added a little less water, but other than that,
It's so good. I eat this big thing.
pretty good menu. I mean, it's good chunks of chicken there.
And good cookies.
Chicken tastes fine, nice and soft, easy, tender, chewy chicken. I mean, usually chicken is. I've said that many times. But. So yeah, it's not too bad. We'll finish you guys off here with the moist towelette. Not so sure what was up with that coffee there. Because like I said, I had the hot cocoa in it yesterday, perfectly fine. So, and actually I had coffee in it this morning, so that's definitely not it. Moist towelette really doesn't have too much of a smell, but it is fairly wet, as it claims to be. Clean your hands off fairly well. As you see, it didn't take much to rip it, but I have seen better ones. I really like the Canadian one. Alright guys, here I am rambling, so we're going to wrap it up there. Like I said, I'm going to try to figure out the live stream, hopefully, and maybe do something like that in the next couple days. If not, I'll just upload another video tomorrow, probably, because I'm going to try to get through some of these MREs. Maybe not tomorrow, I don't know, we'll see how it goes, but anyhow guys, thanks for watching.
Bye.
And have a great night. You gonna say bye?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Alright. Thanks, guys.